Hi, shearers, we're back with Dave. Anyway, so what we're doing again is working on the down. At this stage, I'm keeping my foot on there. But we want to, okay, Crystal's over here getting bit by ants. So if the camera starts bobbing around, I already yelled at her because when she walks around, this is she lacks any ability to hold the camera steady. Anyway, so we want to start being able to use the pager to get him down. You know, because we're pushing or pulling him with the pager. So right now I'm pulling. Oh, we're back on the chicken today. Oh, we're back on the chicken. Pulling. I promise we're using the sound box next week. I want to do that pager and I'm going to reward him right out of that turn. Pull. So to get ready to do my down, I'm already thinking about it. I'm going to get my foot on there. I'm going to do my pager and just a little bit of pressure. Oh, and he just collapses. Oh, he just collapses. I want to make it. I'll move my foot up there real quick so that, again, when he went to get up, he met a little bit of resistance. He stayed there. Oh, he is such a cute little guy. I'm telling you, girl, he loves that other little deaf dog. And I'm getting that other one in tomorrow, so I think that one's small too. I think they said it's about maybe 30 pounds or something. So there'll be 3 little happy family, plus my other little deaf one. So it'll be 4 little happy family. We're going to do the world's first 4 deaf dogs in one video. You can't even find any practically videos with even 1 deaf dog. Alright, so I'm going to lift him up with the pager, pulling. That's what you're thinking. You're pulling, you're pushing. I pulled him back in my direction with that pager. See how loose I'm keeping my leash? Because he overdid that turn, I just stayed stationary right there. His head down, and it's pretty easy to see because these guys have a pretty distinct little body language when they're starting to go into that prey drive where they do drop their head down. His head kind of flattens out. I'm back to where I was a minute ago. But what I did right there, rather than try to check the leash, all right, good. You don't bite Mama's thumbs up, you little stinker. Rather than trying to check him up, I gave him a little slack and turned him with the pager instead. Or he might be the type that goes after lizards and such. It's the same thing. You just need to be ready to have that move. He started to go ahead. Rather than try to check him, I just let him go. He's doing fabulous though. And his new bed never got here, girl. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it was supposed to get here sooner, but it never got here. And he's a one-dog wrecking ball. Somehow the little bag with the little mucklucks that we had bought for the video puppy shouldn't wear shoes got left on top of his cage, and well, he made quick work of it. That's the same thing. I'm going to start my pager, and you can see in that slow-mo video where he had his head like this, and then when he felt the pager, he had a very overt reaction. So I'm going to wait until his head is turned. Good. I added my nick right there.
Yeah.